How to survive in the AI economy, UBI, and post-labor, as the next 3 years are going to change everything, not just how you work, but how you survive. I'm not talking about some far-off prediction or clickbait headline. This is happening right now. AI is reshaping the economy faster than anyone expected. And if you're not preparing today, you're going to get left behind tomorrow. If this is your first time to the channel, welcome. My name is Ryan, and my mission is to help you navigate the overwhelming world of artificial intelligence. And if you want to know my favorite AI tools and prompts, be sure to get my free AI Marketing Essentials guide. You can find the link for my free guide in the video description or pinned comment below. Let's talk about what nobody wants to hear, but everybody needs to understand: the jobs apocalypse isn't a theory anymore. According to leading economists and tech insiders, we're only months away from a full-blown automation cliff. This isn't going to be a slow decline. It's going to feel like jobs just vanish overnight. Administrative roles, customer service, mid-level management, they're already being phased out by AI systems that are faster, cheaper, and honestly more reliable in a business context. And look, I use AI every single day for content research, scripting, thumbnails, outreach, even brainstorming new offers. That's dozens of tasks that used to be handled by contractors or internal teams. Multiply that across every business and you start to see the bigger picture. AI is swallowing up job categories like wildfire, and the ripple effects go far beyond lost wages. Less income means less consumer spending. That leads to lower business revenue, which then creates more pressure to automate. It's a vicious cycle. This is why everyone's looking to UBI, Universal Basic Income, as the magic fix. And while I agree that it might be part of the solution, let's be real. UBI alone won't save you. First, let's ask the obvious question: where's the money coming from? We're talking about taxing corporations who are already experts at avoiding taxes. To make UBI sustainable, you'd need tax rates north of 70% on the very companies building the AI tools we're using. That's a tough sell politically and practically. Second, UBI doesn't solve the core issue of purpose. Work gives people more than just income. It gives them identity, structure, and meaning. Take that away, give someone a check, and you're not solving the problem. You're just masking it. Third, UBI might actually lock in the existing wealth gap. The people who own the platforms and tools, the ones who benefit from automation, will continue getting richer, while everyone else gets a flat payment. That's not economic freedom. That's digital feudalism. So how do you actually survive and, more importantly, thrive in the AI economy? Let me give you 5 specific strategies that I'm focused on right now and that you should be too. First, become a platform stakeholder. This is about shifting from being a consumer to becoming an owner. That means investing in the infrastructure behind AI companies like NVIDIA, Microsoft, Google, or even crypto projects that offer ownership in the protocol. You don't need to have millions. Fractional shares are fine. The goal is simple: stop renting space in the AI world and start owning part of it. Second, develop AI complementary skills. Don't try to compete with AI. You won't win. Instead, learn how to work with it. This could be prompt engineering, workflow automation, output verification, AI ethics, or just becoming the person who trains teams on how to use these tools. AI can process data, but it can't feel, it can't empathize, and it definitely can't replicate your lived experience. Emotional intelligence is your unfair advantage. Lean into it. Third, build community resilience. I know this isn't as sexy as building the next SaaS product, but it matters. Local communities are going to become economic hubs as traditional employment collapses. Start or join a Skillshare network, get involved in community-owned businesses, invest in relationships. The post-labor economy is going to reward those who can generate value through connection, not just transactions. Fourth, diversify your income streams. If your income depends on one employer or one platform, you're exposed. Start a side hustle. Turn your expertise into digital products. Use AI to monetize your hobbies, whether that's writing, video, design, or consulting. Even small, steady streams of income create resilience when the broader economy starts shifting. I've got multiple income streams from agency work to affiliate websites, and that flexibility is what gives me peace of mind in times like this. And finally, I really want you to hear this: cultivate spiritual alignment. This might sound a little out of place in a conversation about economics, but it's not. When the old structures collapse, what's left is your mindset. If you're living in fear, you'll be reactive. If you're grounded in purpose, you'll see opportunity where others see chaos. Find what drives you. Practice gratitude. Build habits that keep your mind strong. I've learned that the most important operating system in this AI economy isn't the one running your workflows, it's the one running your beliefs. This isn't about doom and gloom, it's about realism and readiness. If you're waiting for the government, the schools, or your boss to prepare you for the AI shift, you're already behind. But if you start building now, learning skills, forming communities, investing in ownership, you're going to be in the minority that doesn't just survive this wave, but rides it to something bigger. So what's your next move? Are you optimizing for ownership or just trying to keep up? Drop a comment and let me know what you're doing to prepare for the post-labor economy. And if you want to get your hands on the exact AI tools and workflows I'm using in my own business, make sure to grab my free AI Marketing Essentials Guide. The link is in the description and the pinned comment. Thanks for watching. Share this video with someone who needs a wake-up call about where the world is headed. Let's not just brace for impact, let's build something better on the other side.